All right, good evening once again, and thank you for joining us. If this is your first time joining us, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, we are come to design a business flyer using Pixellab. So without wasting my time, let's get straight to our Pixellab. Now, this is the Pixellab that we are coming to work with. So this is our Pixellab app. Let's scroll downwards. You will see our Pixellab app. Yeah. So now this is the Pixellab app. This is what I'm using. You have different Pixellab, but they are the same Pixellab. Now let's start. Open your Pixellab. So when you open it, this is what we are coming to design. This is what we are coming to design. I designed this myself. I have to teach you too so that you can also design the same thing. Now, how are you going to design this? Or how are you going to achieve this? So without wasting much time, let's start. Now, remove this picture. Come to this side. When you open your Pixellab, come to this side. When you open your Pixellab, come to this side. Come to this side. Click, then come to color. Come to color. So let's click on the color. Now, which color are you going to choose? Before that, let's go back, then bring back our image. So you click here to select the image. It will take you to this place. Click on import. Now bring your image here. So this is the image. So as you can see, the background, the other side are deep and the middle is like light green. So how are you going to achieve this one? Now come back to this side. Click on color. So you come to gradient. Now you click on this plus sign here. You click on color, you click on this plus sign. It will open you to this place. Now when you come to this place, you have these tools on the top here. Click on this one. This is what you're going to use. Click on that one to achieve something like this, as you can see. Now click on this container here to achieve the green color. Now to achieve this green color, when you come to this place, use this shape here to achieve that same green color. Now we want to achieve this green color, so look at how I'm going to achieve it. You scroll this to this side, let's say, then you push this ones and this one to here, something like this. There's still yellow in it, so let's try and achieve it. So to achieve it, when you're done with this, click here. Then when you click here, click on the container again. You see it's still the same. So click on OK. Then come back, then click that same place again, either here or here. So let's try this one. Now click on the container again. You see we have the yellow. Now let's use this thing to achieve the green. So you drag it here, something like here is okay. You push this one here, then bring this one to here. Now you can see you have achieved something as we have it on the picture. So you see you have achieved a new gradient. Now click on OK to proceed. So this is the background. This is the background. I think this is too light. So let's go back, then achieve something deep small. So bring this one here small. Okay, I think it's okay for now. Let's continue. So without achieving this, when we are done achieving with this one, what are we going to do now? So the next step is we are going to design a shape in the middle of this one. And you have to make sure that this shape that you're coming to design is in the middle of the design. So first of all, push this design here, drag it something like to achieve like what I have here. Drag it something like this. Then use these boxes here. You're coming to achieve what we have here. Click on that box. So as you can see, when you click on it, this is how it will appear for you. So you want to achieve this whitish thing we have around this thing. Now, how are we going to achieve it? Come to this side. Come to this side. Then you come back and lock this one. When you come to this side, come back here to lock the picture. Click here, then lock it. When you are done, click on it again. It will take you to this place. Now click on shape. When you have the shape like this, you see you scroll down here, you have radius. Click the reduce the radius to 30. Now extend the shape. Extend the shape. So when you extend the shape, you see you have something like this. Now let's decrease the radius size to, let's say, something like 20 is okay. 20, no. Let's bring it to 15 and see how it will be for us. So no, 15. Yeah. So click on edit again. Now bring it to 16. Now you scroll down, you see we have opacity here. Let the opacity be 0. Now you scroll down again, you see stroke width. The stroke width, click on the plus sign, then move the stroke width to 1. Then you scroll down, you see stroke color. Enable the stroke color to white. Enable the stroke color to white. As we have it here, to white. Now it's okay. So drag it here. Increase the size small. No, let's reduce it. Let's reduce the size. Now it's like the shape that you have is different from the one on the picture. So click on the edit to achieve this same thing. So now bring it to 10. Bring the radius to 10. You achieve the same thing. Then you increase the size small. Now you lock it. So what is the next step? The next step is you are coming to select something like what we have it here. Something like what you have it here. So I've add all these resources in the description of this video. Now click on import. So when you click on import, you see you have it there. See, I've deleted it. So click on import. Now click on import. You are coming to achieve this one. What we have here, this one. So click on import. You see you have it here. Then you click on OK to continue. Now reduce the size small. Reduce the size to small, something like this. Now you scroll to color enable the color, then you come to gradient. You enable this gradient. So how are we going to achieve this gradient? So let me show you. Click on the plus sign. You see, as we have it on the top here, as we have it here, you have different lines here. So which one are you going to choose? Let's choose the third line, this one. When you choose it, you see you have something like this. You'll be having something like this. Now, let me show you how to achieve this color. Click on the container. Come to your color board. Then bring this thing here. Then as I have it here, you drag it up to this side, like as I have it here. You click on OK. You achieve the same thing. Click on OK. Then you lock it. So what is the next step? You are using this picture to achieve what I have. So it's like the picture that I just bring it there is on the shape or is on the line. So let me unlock it. Then drag it top small. So I'll drag it here. Something like this. It's okay. Come back and lock it. Now I come to input the text here. Now, so before we input the text, my Pixellab is Pixellab YD, and your own is normal Pixellab, or if you have this Pixellab too, it's same thing. Now come to the side where they have identified the letter A. Click on text. Now you see you have new text. Double click on the new text. Now type any name you want to use for your business. So me, I use Ebenezer Classy. Yeah, Ebenezer Classy. Sorry. I use Ebenezer Classy. So now I'll type the same thing, Ebenezer Classy. But before that, I'll type the Ebenezer first. Now increase the size. Increase the size. So you have something like this. Make sure you have what I have. So you bring the text on wherever I've placed my text so that you can achieve the same thing that I have. Now, what is the next step? Come to this side, you scroll, you see fonts. Choose any font you think. If you have this Pixellab, let me show you the font that you're going to use. You can use Gotham Medium. But if you have the normal Pixellab too, you can use the font which is also bold like this one. Now you are done selecting your text. So it seems like the text is too big. Now let's reduce the size small. So you come to size. Reduce the size to, let's say, let's reduce the size to, let's say, 63 is okay. Now you lock this text, copy it, then you write the classy. Increase the size and place it here to achieve the same thing. So let's choose our font for the classy too. You choose the font which is bold than the one you choose first. So I will choose Multi-Rat Extra Bold. Multi-Rat Extra Bold. This is what I have here. Multi-Rat Extra Bold. Now reduce the size small. Let the size be small, a little bit small. Sorry. Now, when you are done achieving this one, you come back here, then you lock it. So you see we have another text under this thing. They've written, so let's see how we have achieved our text here. So we have another text under it. They have written quality drift shoes and bag. So now click on new text again. Click on new text. bring it here, double click on it, type quality drift shoes and bag, quality drift shoes and bags. Let the size be small. Now you scroll, you come to padding. Enable the padding, left padding to 5, right padding to 5. Bring it here. So scroll to size, enable the size to 22. It's okay. Now you scroll to font. Choose so here you can choose any font which is too light. So me, I will choose Multirat regular because of the Pixellab that I'm using. No, it's not nice. Multirat medium, yeah. So when you are done achieving this one, then you lock it. Come and hide this picture and see how it will look like. Nice. So what is the next step? Let's bring back our picture. So the next step is to get the object that I have here. The next step is to get the object that I have here. So how are you going to achieve this object here? Now, let me show you a simple step that you can use to arrange it in this format as I have it here. Click on this object here. When you click on it, it will give you something like this. Now, you have the access to move these things here anyhow you want it to achieve the same thing. So now, to get this thing double lines, click on the plus sign that we have in the horizontal form or in the vertical form. So let's choose the one that we have it here. Now I click on this one. It will give me something like this. So I will double click on it again to get more lines. 1, 2. So I'll start arranging my lines before I'll input my shape. So now I'll drag this line first here. The second line to here. The third line to here. This line to here. Then the last line to here. Yeah, I think it's okay. So what is the next step? You bring the down one to here, something like this. Okay. This one to here, okay. Now you click back here again to hide this format that you used to arrange the line. Now click on it. So when you are done with this one, let's hide the picture. What is the next step to do? Now the next step is go back and select shapes. Then come and input it in these lines. So you come back here. You select your shape, sorry. Now increase the shape size. No, like let the shape size be too small in these shapes. So when you select the first shape, you enable the radius to, let's say, 10 for the meantime and see how it will look like. Enable it, something like this. So when you are done, click on OK. So try to achieve the shape inside this thing. Make sure it will be in this format here. So something like this is nice. Now lock this one, then copy it. Drag the same shape here. Drag the same shape here. Make sure it will be in another format. Copy it, like this one, then you copy. drag this one to here. Then you lock it, you copy again. Bring this one to here. Nice. You lock it, then you copy again. You bring this one to here. Then you copy and you lock the first one. Then drag this one to here. Let's enable the position small. So click on position, then move the position by 1. Yeah, it's okay. You come back, you lock it, then you copy again. Then you drag this one to here. For you not to be confused, when you are done, go back, then bring back the picture so that you can look on it, then arrange it. Then you lock this one too, and you copy the last shape. Then bring it here. Nice, as you can see. So it seems like there are some shapes which are too close to the lines. I mean these two shapes. These two shapes, I will unlock them, then drag it by 1 and see. So okay, this one, 2, something like this. Let's move it by 1 on top. Okay, nice. Let me lock them all. Now you scroll down, you unlock your picture. So what is the next step to do? So click on this place, same place here. When you click on this same place, scroll down, you see we have the picture here. Scroll the picture or bring the picture to top. Bring the picture to top. Make sure you drag it to top, to the first line. Or you can use this format here. When you click on the picture, you see you have to front. Click on to front to be on the top. Now unlock it and enable the size small so that you can look at the arrangement of the pictures, or you can arrange it as anyhow you want it. So let's say we're going to arrange the pictures inside these shapes. Now, how are you going to arrange it? So you unlock the first shape, or you can start from the last shape. You unlock it. Now you scroll to texture. When you scroll to texture, click on it. You see this thing, no texture selected. Click on this thing. Sorry. Unlock. Then you click on texture. Then you see you have no texture selected. Click on the image here. Now it will take you to this place. What are you going to select now? So our first image, let's say our first image is this one. When you click on it, it is in a square format already. Now enable it. So when you enable it, you come to this side, you see enable. Enable this one too. Come back and click on OK, then you lock it. Now unlock the second shape. Apply the same format to the second shape. You come to texture, then you select the images. So in this one, you see it's in a long format. Now click on this square here, this thing here, to achieve it in a square format. Then drag this one here. Click on OK. You enable it. Then you come back and lock it. Unlock the third shape. So you come to texture again. You select, let's say this one. Enable it in a square format. Click on the square, 1:1. Drag this one here to achieve something like this. Click on OK. Now enable it. Come back and lock it again. so that it will not mess up. Next one, unlock it, click on texture, you select another texture, you select another object, enable it, come back and unlock it. So the same thing applies to all. The same thing applies to all. So now I can say we are done with the images, how we have input the images in the shape. So what is the next thing to do? You bring back the objects that you are looking on it. Make sure that you achieve the same thing as I have it here. You try a different format to get what I have it here. So click on import, then bring back the picture so that you can look on it. Now, when you are done with this, hide these lines and see how it will appear. So you see the top is too large, then this side is too small. Now, come to this side, you scroll, you see we have the line here. This line that we achieved to cover this object. Now unlock it. Scroll here, you see position. So click on position, move it by 2. Click on it, 1, 2, and see. No, you come back again. Position it, move by 1, 2 again. Then you make sure that you get a square format around it. So now it's okay. Come back and lock it. So bring back your picture. So you see you have dealers in affordable drift shoes and bags. Now, how are you going to achieve this dealers in affordable drift shoes and bag? So that wasting my time. Let's move on. Quick. Now click on the A, the object that represents A. You see you have new text. Double click on the text, then click on dealers in. Enable it to caps. And click on dealers in, enable it to caps. But before that, let's bring back our shape, something like this. You have to get another shape, then drag it here. Make sure it will be in a relative position. Then you lock it. So bring the dealers in on top of this one. Now come back to your text. Scroll to padding, enable the padding to 5. Left padding 5, right padding 5. You enable another font. So I'll use this font. Bold, Gotham bold. No, it's too deep. Let me use a little light font. So I'll choose multi-rat semi-bold. Yeah, it's okay. Now you scroll. Firstly, you have to enable the color to green. Then you scroll to this side. You see you have background. Enable the background. You have left padding, right padding, top padding, bottom padding, then radius. You enable the left padding to 6, right padding to 6, top padding, let's say 6, bottom padding to 6. Then you enable the radius to, let's say, 15. Now, when you are done with this one, come to gradients. Enable this one. Yeah, I think it's okay. But let's change the font format. Let's choose another font. So I'll come back, then choose Gotham medium -0. Yeah, it's okay. Unlock, then you lock it. Come back again, click on another text. Click on another text. So when you click on another text, you enable it or you type affordable drifts, shoes and bag. Affordable drifts, shoes and bags. Bring it here. Make sure you position it well. So this is okay. Let's choose the font for each text. So you scroll this one, then bring this one here, something like this, to affordable drift. You choose a light font, a font which is not too deep. So let's say I'll choose multi-rat medium for the affordable drift. Then the shoes and the bag to, I'll choose multi-rat bold, something like this. Scroll to line spacing. Enable the line spacing to, let's say, 10. Then let the size be too small, something like this is okay for you. Yeah. Lock it. So on the dealers in shoes, we have to work on it well, because it's like it's too square in a square format. It's like in a true rectangular format, sorry. So come back, then the right pattern, let it be in the same format as it is in the earlier one. Then the left pattern too, I think the same thing. Then you enable the top pattern to 10. Then the bottom pattern to 10. Yeah, that's what is important right now. Yeah, so when you are done, you lock it. So what had left? So hide this picture and see how nice your design will look. You should have something like this, nice. We're almost done. It's just 35 minutes work. We're almost done. Now you bring back your lines, then you enable your picture. You have core logo here, so click back on import. Go and select it. This is what I come to use. Drag it or let the size be too small, something like this. Come to position. Position it downwards. Position it downwards. Drag it here. Yeah, drag it here. Yeah, here is okay. Now lock it. Go and select another text, or you can copy affordable drift shoes and bag. This text you can copy it. So when you copy it, then you come back to font. Now you select this one, only this one. You need only this one. So clear the shoe and everything. Then you start typing call or WhatsApp. Yeah. Enable the text color to black. Drag it here. So when you enable it, go and change the font to this, what I have here. So those using this one, this is what you choose. You choose Gotham medium. Yeah, it's okay. You lock it. You copy it again. You type your phone number or contacts. So this is my contacts. Increase the size to get something like this. Now you change the font. Change the font to Let's say I'll choose multi-rat bold. Yeah, it's okay. You like it. Come to this side to have the Instagram logo, then WhatsApp logo. So come back to import again. Then choose this thing. Drag the cursor. Drag this thing here. Drag it on the WhatsApp, on the TikTok logo. Then, on the TikTok logo, then let the size be too small. Then drag it here. Drag it here. Yeah, it's okay. Position it. Something like this is okay. So you lock this one. Then you come back and copy this text, call or WhatsApp text, you copy it. Then you write your business name. So me, I choose at Ebenezer, that is for the WhatsApp, at Ebenezer, no, for the TikTok, sorry, Ebenezer Classy. So I'll change the fonts. You can choose to bring the Instagram first or the TikTok first, so I'll change the fonts. So I'll change the font to Matirat Regular. So I'll get something like this. You lock it, copy the logo. Then you come back to crop. You crop the Instagram logo. When you're done, bring it down to where the TikTok logo, bring it under the TikTok logo. So when you bring it here, then I think now you're almost done. So you can delete this picture. Then you copy the Ebenezer Classy. So lock the logo first. Copy the Ebenezer Classy. Then for the Instagram, you can type Ebenezer. I would type Ebenezer _ Classy. That will be my Instagram name. Something like this. So when you achieve something like this, then you come back and lock it. So as you can see, we are done with the design. You have something like this, nice one. So how are you going to save this image? Click here. To save the image, click here. Or to save your design, click here. You see you have saved as project, then save as image. But you have to save it as project first for you not to lose it. Save as project. So the name of my project is Flyer for Day 1. Day 1. Then you click on OK. It has been saved. Click the same place to save it as image. Then you change the default to save it as ultra. Then you save it to your gallery. So you can zoom it and see how it is. I've achieved something nice like this. You see, so this is in our first training. So if you look at how our first training look at how the first training is moving. So how do you think the second training tool will be? Now make sure you subscribe to this channel and like, comment, and follow for more. Thank you for joining us. Your tutor for today is Godson Alpha. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.